Hi, and welcome to Health Trust TV. I'm Paloma Cano.
And I'm Adam Morella, and on today's show we'll be discussing seniors and their health. We're delighted to have two guests in studio that understand the importance of promoting senior health.
From the Health Trust, we have Director of Healthy Aging, Lori Andersen.
And from San Jose State University, we also have the Director of Silicon Valley Healthy Aging Partnership, Tamar Semerjian. Welcome.
Thanks for having us.
So let's start with you, Tamar. Can you tell us a little bit more about Silicon Valley Healthy Aging Partnership, also known as SVHAP?
Sure. The partnership was developed to have community organizations who serve older adults for all of the organizations to come and work together so that we could better serve older adults and have more evidence-based health promotion programs out in the community.
Very nice. So how is SVHAP working to improve the health of seniors? How are you actually doing this?
So we came together with community organizations, the kinesiology department at San Jose State University, the Health Trust, and our many partners to identify some good evidence-based programs that we could implement in the community.
Oh, very interesting. Can you actually elaborate a little bit on the evidence-based programs?
Sure. So these are programs that we know work. So instead of having programs that we think might help seniors, we know that these are going to help seniors. And we've identified a few programs that we know are effective and that can be implemented in the community.
So can you briefly tell us why it's so important for seniors to engage in physical activity?
We want to be able to be active throughout our lifespan, and so we want to make sure that we are strong, flexible, have good cardiovascular fitness and good balance, as well as be aware of how to manage our chronic conditions. And so all of these programs, and we've got 5, we have Enhanced Fitness, Matter of Balance, Tai Chi, Moving for Better Balance, Walk with Ease, which is an Arthritis Foundation program, and Better Choices, Better Health, all aim to keep older adults healthy and happy and active for longer through the lifespan.
That sounds great.
So Lori, could you tell us a little bit more about Agents for Change?
Sure. Agents for Change is a program that was started a couple of years ago, and it really was formed as a way to allow older adults to get involved in advocacy and to become civically engaged around issues of importance to older adults. So it's really a place where older adults can come, and when they're passionate about something a change that they would like to see in the community, something they'd like to see improved, that they can come together with other older adults and advocates and learn about these issues, and some of them are very complex, so it requires some research, and once they learn about the issue and come up with some solutions, they can go in a variety of ways, create some change. Sometimes it's just talking to an elected official, sometimes it's showing up at public hearings, talking to people, teaching, so it's really connected to healthy aging because to stay healthy you want to also exercise, but you also want to be engaged in the community and some kind of socialization, and also learning and giving back. So it's a great way to do that.
Wonderful. And so how is the Health Trust involved?
The Health Trust started this program a couple of years ago with a grant from the SCAN Foundation, and we really felt strongly that a larger senior voice was really important in this community, because there are a lot of areas where seniors are not heard, and this is a way that can happen. So that's important to us. We feel strongly that leadership and advocacy is an important role.
Great. And so as a senior, how do you go about getting into this program?
Go to our website, Health Trust, and you can go to the Healthy Aging page and see information about agents.
So Lori, can you tell us about Senior Peer Advocates?
Sure. Senior Peer Advocates, or SPA, is a program that was started a couple of years ago, and it was really modeled after a very successful program in the city of Fremont. And it's geared to really help seniors one-on-one, face-to-face, with listening to what their issue or challenge is and helping them find a resource in the community to address that. So the SPA volunteers are trained, very comprehensive training. They learn about all of the resources in the community, and then they're located at senior centers and other community sites, and they're available to anyone who comes to those sites. Anyone from the community can come and make an appointment, or just come find the SPA volunteer and sit down with them. And the SPA volunteers will also help the individual go online and find some online data resources as well if they're interested in doing that.
Oh, that's wonderful.
Well, thank you guys for both joining us.
Thanks for having us.
Thanks. Be sure to stay tuned. Up next, we get to try some delicious pork tenderloin. But first, let's find out what Elena has to say about seniors in her Healthy Choice demo.